don't know why I did it.
Watch out.
I'm so stupid.
Beer. Nobody will leave it.
I'm so stupid. I'm so mad at myself.
You see, I the same thing I talked to you about yesterday. The bag of shedding of tears when me talk to you about something. What you need for you shed tears? Everything me need talk about, you shed tears.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jen and I'm back with another one. Akeen is on his way home from work in about 5 minutes or so. And we're actually going to go to the potholes, so we're gonna vlog that. So he and I did a prank last night, so there's no way he's gonna think that I'm pranking him again. But I am. So last night I pranked him, saying that he was cheating by me finding things under the bed, like chips and stuff. So now I'm gonna pretend I'm watching TV and I'm sitting here eating ketchup chips, but actually it's a rice cake. And I've got my green juice, because of course if you drink your green juice, I mean, you can eat anything, right? And I have Dr. Pepper, which actually has water in it. And I have pizza, but it's not mine, and I'm gonna pretend I'm eating it. So guys, let's see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I think this is gonna be a good one, so stay tuned. Feeling? Good. Good to have you guys back. We had you on episode 55 of Pop the Balloon or Find Love. Watching my girl Arla. Matching. Is it a yes for you for him? Yes. And is it a yes for you for her? Yes. We got a match! I'll take Jordan. There was a lot of buzz going on about you in the comments. They were like, man, this girl got questions for days. Is she really interested in the guy, or does she... So guys, Akeen just texted me and said he's gonna be a little late. I guess one of our co-workers is running late or something like that. So I'm hungry for real. So I went and got something to eat. Let me tell you guys, this is so good. There's cabbage, there's bok choy, there's kale, there's lentils, green and red lentils, which I soaked overnight and then I cooked them. And this, and there's ginger, garlic, onion, turmeric, thyme, and carrots, and pepper and oregano and just some different seasonings. But oh my gosh, it is so good. So yeah, so I've already lost like 12 pounds and we still have, so today's the 30th, so we still have 5 days to go. So maybe, just maybe, I'll lose another 3 pounds between now and then, so then I'll be down 15. We'll see, but right now it's 12. So anyways, I'm just gonna continue watch some TV, and hopefully my husband will be home soon and we'll get this prank underway.
I hope to meet someone that, you know, I feel that connection with. I guess that's the biggest thing that I'm looking for. And what else?
Oh,
I mean,
are we gonna go to the lake?
We'll see what happens. And I'm excited to come back and tell y'all how it went. Hi, I'm Kiara. I came here from Orlando, Florida, and I'm excited to see all the guys. I'm a nurse.
Babe, I got my juice though.
Single and hoping to find
I don't want to be on a diet no more. I'm just gonna drink the
Hi, I'm
juice.
Drea. I'm 31 and I'm here from San Diego. Yeah, I guess I'm kind of nervous, and I just want to see what the man brings to the table.
My name is Catherine. I'm 31. I'm from New York, and I'm excited to meet like-minded individuals. And a girl is never.
I lost enough weight, babe. I don't want to lose anymore.
I'm Sade. I am from Houston, Texas. Originally North Carolina, but I currently live in Houston, Texas. I'm a little nervous, excited to see how it's gonna go, but
when I did the prank last night, it made me crave these, so I thought I would. You know what? I'm done.
Whatever happens, happens.
5 days. 5 days.
Hi, Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm originally from Philadelphia. I'm 33 years old. I live in New York and I stay in LA. And I'm just excited to find a friend forever, you know. Friends
I'm just chasing it with this.
and lovers. So I just can't wait.
You literally have 5 days, 5 days left. It can't discipline are the same thing me and you talked about yesterday. With even money, you know, everything baby, discipline. You understand? You have to have discipline. It called self-discipline. Watch out. You still a dig down in the chips. And you were a ball, you crying every day you want to lose weight and you dig down in the chips. And all me say to you say, it called self-discipline.
So
watch out.
good.
Pizza on bed, watch out.
So good. I just couldn't do it no more. I was just tired.
I'm not understanding me, like, trust me. We have 5 days left. So when you do this now, what you expect me to do? Draw your energy? You make a sad mistake, I'm not doing it. 5 days we have left.
But doesn't
I say after the 5 days we have left, we agree on July 5.
Babe, listen.
I don't know me and say to you, so we agree on July 5th. After July 5th, we could have go buy pizza, we could have go get burger, we could have go get Boston pizza, whatever it is, we could have go buy KFC and eat it. We agree on that.
But I'm drinking the green juice, babe.
But when you chase it with this, the chips where you chase it with pizza, what you expect to happen?
Doesn't it just eat it away? It's ginger in it.
You don't understand what I say. But when I say to you, say, we make a decision, so we will go on 1 month diet. That's what I say to you, B. If I never care for you, I never certain way, trust me, I wouldn't even business with you or eat that. I wouldn't even care about it. But because me care for you, like how I care for myself and care for my health, that's the reason. But remember, you know, you are shed tears to me every night. I need to lose a bunch of weight. And me come up with a solution for it, which is not work. And yeah, eat chips now.
I couldn't do it. I just couldn't deal with the temptation. I just couldn't do it. And I just thought because if I had juice, it would...
What?
It would kind of eat it, or it wouldn't make me gain weight.
You see the thing when I try to show you, say you always the same thing when I talk to you and I say to you, say you always try to do something for kind of curve your mistake or your whatever you do. That's what you have to be. You always try to look for some form of escape route. There's no the green juice and that it will affect you. Because green juice, you have to just go green juice alone. If you have got green juice, that cleans, you cleanse. You're actually cleansing. We all eat green juice and chips. The chips are going to outweigh the green juice to the amount of calories in this. And I know something that we need for tell you. I know something that we need for tell you. You literally have 5 days. You see result. You literally have 5 days, babe. Come on now. And then, what?
I feel so bad. I don't know why I did it, babe. I don't know why I did it. I just don't know why I did it.
Watch out.
I'm so stupid.
Babe, nobody will do that.
I'm so stupid. I'm so mad at myself.
You see, the same thing I talked to you about yesterday. The bag of shedding of tears when I talk to you about something. What you need for your shed tears? Everything me talk about, you shed tears.
I thought the juice was gonna work.
See, the juice will work, but when you mix it with pizza and chips, what you expect of what happen? When you mix it with pizza and chips.
I thought it would burn it or dissolve it or, what do you call it, digest it or
but
whatever.
when I say to you, babe, discipline. You have to have some form of self-control and self-discipline. It's that simple. What you expect? Babe, and you see them something, these things are nice to consume. These, you see? These are very nice to consume. But they're very bad for your health. It's bad for your body overall.
I know that.
This, look at this. It's hard to drink, right? It's hard to drink every day, right?
No, I like it actually, but
yeah, but me I said to you, say you would get up and drink this every day because it's so hard to drink. Because it doesn't taste as nice. And you know why? This way don't taste as nice. It's good for you. But you see this, the moment you feed on this every day, sweetheart, your belly gone out, you put them get big, you get waty and swarty. I mean, it may never care. Watch out.
Do you know what that is? It's rice cake.
But you have chips tonight.
I wasn't eating them. I was eating the rice cake.
No.
It's a brown rice,
chips,
plain rice cake.
No, nobody with that. You're not telling me that. You just try to use something now.
No, I promise you, I didn't. I'm pranking you. I'm pranking you. Babe, I'm pranking you.
Oh, sure.
Babe,
And you still eat.
there's water in here. And there's a rice cake in here, and I didn't even touch this. I'm just pranking you.
You know what? That was starting me though. See this? Some liquor, I'm gonna give mother. Some liquor, I'm gonna give mother be a trouble. Just to reach my belly.
I'll get you in it.
Not you, Kay doesn't even kiss me, babe.
I'm pranking you. I didn't cheat, babe.
Why for some reason I feel like a cheat, babe? Why not, babe?
I didn't. I swear to God. It's all rice cake. And I even showed them my healthy meal that I ate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, you see what I taste movie yet?
And there's water in the Dr. Pepper thing. I'm not cheating. I told them I lost 12 pounds so far. I'm on my way to 15, hopefully. I got, what, 5 more days?
You got self-discipline. You gotta put away something to gain some form of result. That's what I'm trying to put in our brain.
I don't even like chips. I don't even like pop. When I'm not on a diet, I don't eat that stuff. I just thought it would be a good prank.
Guys, peace out. Just remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you get all the necessary uploads. Don't worry yourself, never hold you back. Here, I'm going to catch you.
No cheating here. Okay, guys. See you next time.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?